overview. Subscribe. Welcome in. We're about to get started in a hot second. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Okay, yeah, y'all ready. Y'all ready? Okay, well, I got one more person coming over here, then we're gonna get started. Speak with Natasha. Natasha, you made it over here to the YouTube. Made it over here yet? So, peace, Ant. Ninja Dorada, welcome in, welcome in. Big Stub in the building. Fresh in the building, okay. Welcome to y'all. Whoever else in the chat, let us know. y'all. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna kick off our three trade challenge. I believe this is probably like session number 4, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna try to really keep these things going for the rest of the summer, and then everybody who completed the challenge is I'm gonna go through those people, see who's serious, and see who want to join our wealth club. So welcome in, welcome in. We'll talk more about the Wealth Club. We'll talk more about T.Bot. We'll talk more about, volume strategy, everything that's going to help you become a great, very knowledgeable trader. But first things first is just putting in a trade. So let's start with the basics. All right, let's start with the very, very basics. All right, so welcome in, everybody. If you can, drop a couple words in the chat about how you doing, where you tapping in from, and what made you tap in. Why trading? Why are you here today? If you have experience already, let us know. And I already know you got experience. Some of these other names, I'm not sure who you are. Check out Nostalgic Games on YouTube. My man is an amazing gamer. My man don't play, streamer, all of that. Let's go. Okay, Stubbs, I see you. Okay. So I share my screen with you already, so you can see pretty much what we're gonna be doing. This is the only place that I know of, and you somebody could tell me if I'm wrong, if I'm mistaken. But from what I know, we are the only people who provide not just free, education on day trading, but free hands-on, hold your hand, help you actually put in your first trades while explaining in the most simplistic way what day trading is, what markets are, and how to take full advantage, while also giving you access to a regulated broker where you could do some amazing things, right? I have not even opened up everything you can do on this broker because I don't want to overwhelm you, but I found an amazing tool, and I really want you guys to take full advantage of this tool, all right? So again, this is for you if you've been thinking about trading or been watching trading content but never really got a chance to place a trade or understand what you're really doing. We're going to be doing some demo trading today, also called paper trading. All right. If you want to understand these concepts in basic language, if you want to know how to open up a chart, open up a brokerage account, all in less than, I would say, 90 minutes, this session is for you. So without further ado, I'm going to respect everybody who was here on time. I'm going to respect y'all time. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's get into it. First of all, I do want to make sure we do read these chats because I asked y'all how y'all feeling. And looks like, looks like we got a quiet crew. We might got another quiet crew. How y'all feeling? Come on. How we doing out there? Let me know. Because if usually when somebody don't say nothing, they probably ain't doing too well. All right. You probably ain't all right. And if that's the case, we need to shift that mood, because you can't come into learning something new if you're coming from, a sunken place, if you're coming from a negative place, if you're coming from a hurtful place, if you're coming from a depressed place. It's going to be so much harder. Are you hungry? Are you dehydrated? Are you stiff? Have you been working all day and you ain't really got a chance to stretch it out? Y'all want to stretch? What y'all want to do? You want to dance when we change the music? What do y'all want? But I need to hear something. All right, feeling blessed, feeling great, no complaints, fantastic and bombastic. I like it. Peace, Empress. My man Mike from Missouri or Mississippi? Somewhere. I know it's one of them M's. Peace, Mike. Glad you made it on, though. 100%. Okay. Some people waking up. Now, real quick, let me see. Miss Jackson is in the building. She's feeling blessed. So who is actually taking the 3 trade challenge today? Who's putting in the 3 trades with us today? Who? Type a number 3 below if you are. That means you got your computer already ready. You already fired up. You got your browser open. Okay. If you are, the first thing, type those numbers so I can see, because this is the accountability portion. Okay. And whoever puts their number down there, I'm on your heels all night. I'm not holding back. I'm gonna hold your hand until I have to squeeze your hand. And if you start to fall behind, I'm going to pull you, even if I got to drag you. All right. Let's go. Okay. K, Informix, Jackson, Empress. Cool, cool, cool. And Ninja. All right. So keep on typing if you taking it with us. I'm dropping a link in the chat. Let me know if you see that link. Click that button right now and come over here. It's going to take you over here to the Zion apps. All right. Let me switch over here so you can see it. All right. So you can see exactly what's going on. Shout out to everybody who on Zion. If you know, you know. All right. One of the best platforms out there for live communication, building with your tribe, learning cutting edge things. But one of my favorite parts of Zion's is the paths. The paths. Oops, I think I dropped the wrong link. I forgot the S. The paths is where you actually can track what you're doing. You can track what you're working on. Okay. You can prove that you know what you're talking about. That's what I'm most excited about right now. Why? Because there's so many people on the internet. There's so many people who we see out here just talking about what they do. They just talking about the impact they're making. They just talking about receipts. And we don't know if they edit in those receipts. We don't know what's real and what's not. So we wanted to create a place which we call a proof network. It's a place where you can actually show proof of what you've been able to do. It could be measured. It could be documented. So now we could say our community is super active, super productive, super capable, all right, super accomplished. That's what it's about. So we are hyper focused on making sure that we show that we just not another platform out here, all right? We wanted to build a place for people to be able to really have an impact on their own lives. So what we did was with these paths, and we have multiple different paths and more to come, but we didn't want to overwhelm people from the beginning. You could choose a path, and for every single step in that path, you can upload documented proof that you actually did these things. All right. So we got a lot of different things. I always like to talk about this one right here, which is the 1,000, right? Because what I'm on a path right now to teach 1,000 youth how to leverage agentic AI, okay, successfully. So that means I have to teach 1,000 kids, right? And I'm already on a journey. I already started. I started back in September. It was a silent listen, but now I'm going to make it public. So I'm going to be adding every one of those youths here, and you'll be able to see every single one. I made it public. All right. And as you see, 26 other people are now walking this path with me. That means they are also on the path to teach 1,000. And this is important because the mission is to teach 144,000. So that means I need 143 people to join me. All right. 143 people to join me. That way we can, in total, teach 144,000 youth. That way our future generation is prepared and they know how to use AI ethically, and they won't just be consumers who fall victim to this very persuasive technology, because AI is really well, and you all know AI is really good at persuading you and, you know, making it personal. And that's, for us, we adults, we know how to mitigate that. We know how to get around it. So to you, you probably like, I can see when AI is just, you know, gaslighting me or hyping me up, you know, just telling me whatever. Kids may not. These kids may not. So a lot of them can get lost in just talking to this AI like it's a real therapist or like it's a real friend, like it's a real boyfriend or girlfriend. We got to stop all of that. We got to make sure that they know how to use it. So all of the youth I teach, the goal is always when I leave that room or before I leave that room, they say, you gave me a different perspective on how to use AI. And every time that happens, my heart smiles. Okay, so that's the path I'm on. And I invite other people to join that path. And we're going to be doing monthly meetups where we talk about the code of ethics that we're teaching the youth, curriculum, programs, events we can do together, everything, playbooks, we got it all. We got cheat sheets for them. We got prompt sheets. We got everything we need. So if you want to be a part of that, join that path as well. But today, the path that we are on is the 3 Trade Challenge. What that looks like is, and please click there right now and sign up for the 3 Trade Challenge. You got 2 minutes to do it. 2 minutes. Get over there to Zion, everybody who typed the 3, and please get started and start that path. You got to click a button that says start run. Okay. So what we're going to be doing, ooh, I like this. I like this. My lag ain't that bad. Tapped into that fiber. So what we're going to be doing is you get 5 steps today. Okay. It's really about 8 steps. I'm not going to lie. We might end up extending this or maybe not. I think I'll just add more description here instead of that. But the first step is just creating your account. All right. Creating your account. Now, what that means is you got to click this link. First of all, when you go in there, you have to click this link because this gets you access to our partner account. And with the partner account, now you become part of something bigger. And remember at the beginning, I said there's different features that come with Liquid Brokers. That's one thing that you get access to. But secondly, everybody who uses our partner code gets invited to special sessions, right? And those sessions, I can't say nothing right now, right? Team said don't blow it up. But those sessions, let's just put it this way, it will make you, if I say it, you're going to know what I mean. So I'm not going to say it. But just anyway, join our partner code. Make sure you join that. It doesn't do anything except for connect your account to ours. Also, what it does is we have this commission. They have this commission model. So we all eat as well when different people trade. So I'll also show you how to share your link with people so that way you also can keep everybody in the same partner. And Liquid Broker has something dope around like copy trading accounts. They also have some cool stuff around competitions. None of that matters right now. Again, I'm not in the business of overwhelming my people, so don't worry about it. Just trust the process, okay? So first step, click start run. Second step, you got to go over here and see what each one of your steps are going to be. It's only 5. So first one is click that link and create your Liquid Brokers account, okay? Y'all ready? Let me know when you get there. Now, the second thing is when you over here, there's going to be a little button right here that says make your run public. I need you to make yours public because if it's private, I can't see where you are in the journey, right? When you click it and make it public, I'm able to see this. Your names gets added to the list. Look at this list. It's growing. It's growing. If I can teach 1,000 people how to put in their first trade, man, I feel like God will be really happy with me. I really do. Because I'm teaching these essential skills, right? These skills that they don't teach us in grammar school. They don't teach us in high school. They don't teach us in college. Yet, they tell us, oh yeah, get you a 401k. Oh yeah, get you a savings account. You know, they tell us these things where if we put our money into these vehicles, they take that money and then they do the trading with it. Ain't that crazy? They don't want to teach us about it. They teach us the most like minimum steps that just allow them now to take the full steps. All right. So anyway, as always, we're just trying to break the mold and help our people really unlock something. So let's go. Right now, we got 18 people who have taken the path with us. Let me refresh and see who has started the path. 19. Let's go. Mike is moving. Mike is moving. Now, look, this is the cool thing. Let me go over here and show you Charlene. Charlene was on with our last session. If I click on hers, I get to see every one of her steps. Look at this. So I can see she entered her trades. She put her 3 trades in. Proof, right? It's all right here. I can see now that she put in her trades. All right. I can see that she opened up her account, created my demo account. Everything is there. Okay. So go ahead, get started. I see Michael's in there. Come on. Another 30 seconds. You got 30 more seconds to get yours created. All right. When you're done, type path. That way I know you are on the path. That way I know you are on the path. Nobody else is on there yet. Come on, y'all. Moving a little bit too slow for me. We ain't gonna be able to get this done in 90 minutes. I'm gonna mess up my track record. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Perfect. I love it. Let me check over here. Yo, Eric, why you on Zoom, man? YouTube, my guy. Eric, why you on Zoom, man? I'm a or if you're not on YouTube, I'm gonna end it for us right here. I'm just join us over on YouTube. All right, come on. Let me see who's up here now. I gotta get the live updates. We're gonna get this to be a live. Oh, if you already did it and maybe you just didn't set it to public, maybe that's why I'm not seeing it. So I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Don't forget to click the public. Make it public. It's right here underneath the heading that says the 3 trade challenge. Make sure you make it public. That way I know who I'm holding accountable. Because if not, I'm only gonna focus on whoever's here. That way, because that's who I know. I know Michael's doing it. I know Mud Moon is doing it. Gotta make my coconut water. Let's go. Here we go. All right, Ann is on the path. Ray J 0628 is on the path. Beautiful. All right, last call. Last call. Does it have a strong flavor or watered down? This is, I would say it's in the middle. Never from concentrate. Plant-based hydration. The ingredients, I had checked it out earlier. It was like, yeah, it just said coconut water and less than 1% of sugar. I think they did pretty well with this brand. It don't taste like it's fresh out the coconut though. I've completed my path. Okay, what does that mean? You completed it? Like you created it, or you totally done? Okay, Cindy is on the journey with us. Ninja is yours public. Yeah, let us know if it's public. Yeah, and let us know what your name is on Zion too, because sometimes people got different names. So, all right, let me see who else typed the 3 so I can be on you. M4 Mix 254. What's your name on Zion? Have you started it? Miss Jackson 111. What about you? Empress. Let me see, Empress. I know you was on another session, so you might be done, but it's cool. I know you want to do another 3 trades, so you are welcome to do that 100%. All right. So next step. I'm gonna do another. Let me open up another one of these. All right, cool. So next step is everybody who did. First step is just to create this. Click this link. Okay, I'll put it in the chat for you as well. Click that link and then create your account. Now this is right here. This step is going to take us about 5 minutes. Okay, because what you have to do is verify your account. So click it ASAP. Verify your account. It's going to ask you to pretty much take a picture. This is what's expected for every regulated broker. Okay, every regulated broker wants to check your. It's called KYC. Know your customer. They have to do it. It's like an obligation. So cool. Just do that real quick. It should be pretty quick. And then once you're done with that, I'll show you the screen you should land on. This is the screen that you're going to go to when you register. It's going to show your partner code down here automatically filled in if you click the link correctly. If you don't, you can just type the partner code in, but it's usually easier to just do that. I would say, if you got a personal account, great. If you're going to trade with your broker account, I'm not sure if that's for you. I'm not broker. I'm going to say business account. I know that's not for everybody. You can always do that later on. For now, you can keep it simple with a personal account. Okay. I'd be rich if you were my teacher in high school. I take that as a compliment, bro. Thank you. All right, cool. So now I'm gonna sign in because I already have my account. And then what you do is once you do it, you go back. Once you set up your account, you go back and you mark the step as done. Okay, real simple. Once I see everybody got step one done on paths, I'll be able to move us forward to the next step. Extension isn't working. Okay, I'm in there. Let's see how many we got so far. Okay, no updates yet. No updates. Once you all set up, you're gonna see a screen like this. Oh, I'm at $25 on this account. Let's go. This account was at $4. I'm trying to grow it up. Actually, it was at $8. It was at $8. I ended up losing 4, and now I'm getting it back up. What's going on? If I can grow this to $100, that's gonna be crazy. Come on, what's going on here? 1 second, tribe. Okay. All right, here we go. I hope you in that gold buy. Ooh, nah. Oof. Big hive in that buy. I am server, very small balance, trying to double it though. Okay. Done. All right. Good job, Mike. Jessica's done. Good job. Michael, when you're done, excuse me, update your path up here. We got 24 people on the path. Let's go. This is just the beginning for us. Got to go back. Nina. Oh no, Nina had an issue. I'm gonna delete this for Nina because she had 2. Her other one is done. Anika did not finish. I remember she left early that day. I got to follow up with her. Leslie, Julie, Kay. They finished. Charlene, I know, and Natalie, but they need to update it. They put in them 3 trades, forgot to come back and complete it. Good job, Jessica. Cool, cool. Good job. If you want to keep on working right now, that's fine. I don't mind people keep moving forward. The next step is create demo account. When you logged in, scroll down on the accounts page. Make sure you're on the accounts page. Scroll down, click on demo account. And it's going to say, what kind of demo account? Which one? Click on the one that says popular, ECN. Click on the popular one, ECN. Click on the popular one, ECN. Come on, let's get this step done, these steps done, so we can get to the good stuff. We can get on the charts. All right, I'm gonna end this Zoom. We could. Mark those steps complete. Once you got your account, mark them complete. If you see nostalgic games or Hive Mind Hitmaker in the chat helping you out, they got a lot of experience. So definitely take advantage. Yes, Cindy, I see you in there. I didn't see you at first. For some reason, your name popped up a couple names down. But I don't see you with no completed steps yet. Okay, Jackson, Jay Jackson said my profile has been verified. Great job. Hey, okay, Miss Fleming, welcome in. All the way at step 2. She came from behind. She lapping some people. Come on. Let's see if we can be on these charts by 9 o'clock EST. That's in 15 minutes. Get these accounts created. Let's get these demo accounts created. I heard we supposed to have a real bright sky tonight. Some places. Other places we got a solar eclipse. This morning I tried to catch some stuff, but sky was so cloudy we didn't see nothing. My name on Zion is Zartaj. Okay, let me check you out, Zartaj. Okay, I see you. Yep. Okay, good. You got it marked complete. Perfect. It wants proof. Yep. So for proof, you could do. You could just type text. Okay. Or if you want, you could take a screenshot of like your back end. You don't have to show nothing personal. But as you see with mine, I just paste a little picture like this. Okay. It's up to you. Just show something. It's not that, this step isn't that serious. Perfect. Who's building you? Good. Good. Okay. Anybody else need more time? Anybody need more time? Please let us know right now in the chat. Let us know right now if you need more time. Are we using the chart on Liquid Brokers? Yeah. Yep. But it's specifically called Liquid Charts. I'm gonna show you how to get to it. I did mark complete. All right, cool. Thank you, Cindy. Let's check it out. Yep, good. All right, so remember, next step, everybody. Next step is on the accounts page. Scroll down a little bit till you see this blue button over here to the right that says plus demo account. Add a demo account. Click that. This part is a little easier. Just click create demo. And then it's going to ask you how much do you want to deposit. Okay. And you just put whatever a realistic amount is for you. The minimum is $10. You could put 100, you could put 1,000, you could put 10,000, put whatever you want, whatever you feel like, when I really start trading and I get good, this is how much money I want to put in my account to start trading with. Okay. Once you're ready, that might be in 30 days. It might be in 3 months, whatever works for you. But what is that amount of money? Don't put like $1 million if you're going to trade with a $10,000 account, because it's not going to train your brain on how to really handle your account size. Wait, Tanya, what's going on, Tanya? Who is Tanya Fleming? Who is Tanya? Tanya just spazzed out. She said, I'm done. Let's check her proof. Okay, she got her account. Looks like she got a deposit. We'll show later. That's not how we do proof. All right, you're gonna make me add a new feature. I'm adding a new feature now. I'm gonna be able to revert people path. You can't put later. You can't just add some. Undo your steps. This is the good thing about Zion. I don't have to undo it. You can do it. So go to your step. At the bottom is the button that says revert approval. That means undo it. You only can say that it's done when you can show proof. Again, we are a proof network. You have to be able to prove that you did it. You can't say later, I got you, because you take away from the integrity of our platform. Okay. People are going to start saying that we are faking it. We ain't letting none of that leak into the actual platform. So go down to the bottom and click revert approval on your last 3 steps, because I see you did do the first 2. So congratulations on those 2 steps, but do not say that you have entered a trade until you have proof. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, it's okay. No need to be sorry. Just wanna. That's good. Like we got to learn from each other. This is a good example. We would rather you be undone than to not show proof. Feel me? Like, look at me. I would like to keep things on me, right? Look at this. I have this year alone. Well, let's just say since last October. Since last October, I've taught at least 60 youth about agentic AI. But because I have not had time to sit down and add them, it's nothing here. I'm not fronting, right? I'm not sitting here saying like, oh look, I got 60 youth on here. I don't. I have not added the proof, so I'm not adding them yet. Now, what I'm going to do is this weekend, my plan is to sit down and vlog my journey of putting this in and talk about the stories as I go along. And I'm gonna just make a YouTube video out of it. But yeah, I'm not going to just put that I did it. And that's for all of us. It's not just you, it's all of us. We have to be really intentional. Hive Mind, I fixed the progress thing, but I haven't pushed it to GitHub yet in deployment. So we'll see that soon. Pretty much on this page, it shows that it's no progress, even if you do have progress. All right, let's go back to the challenge. All right, thank you, Tanya. Appreciate you. Can't wait to see you add your proof, though. Okay, once you create your demo account, update your path so we know that we're ready to move forward. We live on Zion right now, too, just in case. Should be demo money. I love the progress bars. Cool. It shows 10, but I did deposit any money. Is that right? I'm not sure where you see 10 at. After you create an account, it's going to ask you how much do you want to deposit. They're going to ask you a number. You put in whatever number you want. Did you do that? Did you put in a number? Did you already click on the demo ECN? Michael said, username, where is it? I'm not sure what you mean. Username. Oh, I got you. I got you. I think I know what you're talking about. So after you create your demo account, this is what everybody's going to do next. You see this little notification envelope up here in the top bar. After you create your demo account, it's going to show you. I'm actually go here and do it. It's going to be a notification here that says your new Liquid chart account is ready. So Liquid Brokers is where you create demo accounts, create live accounts, and deposit your money and do withdrawals. So when you make profit and you need to withdraw, you do it on Liquid Brokers. All of those things you do on Liquid Brokers. Okay, so think of it as your back end, your business side. On the other side is going to be the charts. This is where you enter trades, exit trades, view your trades, mark up your charts, all of those things. So Liquid Charts is where you do your trading at. Liquid Brokers is where you do your business at. Okay. So when you create a demo account, it's going to give you a notification and it also sends it to your email. Okay. What's going to happen is your username is going to be your email address, but the password is going to be whatever they send you in your email or right here. It's not the password for Liquid Brokers. It's a different password for Liquid Charts. Okay. If that's clear, just type a 1 below so I know that makes sense. Okay. And then I'll show you how to actually log in. Okay, makes sense. Good, good, good. Can I upload a trade from TradingView too, or only Liquid Brokers? Yeah, anywhere. Yeah, it's fine. It's not strictly for that, but I just have, all of the new people over on Liquid Brokers. But yeah, wherever you starting from, that's great. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying. Okay, everybody is good on that. All right, let me check the paths and see if we got any updates. Ooh, we got some nice updates. So Tanya, Ray J, and Mike, or Cindy. All right, step 2, Mike and Jessica got step 1 complete. Is Liz in the building? Is Liz in the chat? All right. Put my Afro beats back on. Come on, 2 more minutes, y'all. 2 more minutes before 9. We could do this. We could do this. Okay. Okay. Come on, we can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Come on, get to step 2, y'all. All right, come on. Good job, Mud Moon. Good job. Come on. Next step, if you're still trying to figure out how to catch up to us, go to accounts, scroll down to demo account, click that big blue plus button. And then choose the most popular one, which is a demo ECN. Okay. Ooh, let's go, Ray J. You moving, huh? Ray J, you got trading experience? You traded before? Have you ever traded before? It's in the email. Yep, I don't see trade anywhere. You don't see trade? Don't worry about trade. We haven't done trade yet. We haven't got to that step. Oh, on the right of your demo account, you should see the trade. I'll show you on my side. I see Ant trying to help you. I got you. If you can see my screen right here. So you see it say demo accounts. And there's a blue button right here next to your demo account that you just created. It's a blue button that says trade. Oh, I'm not showing my screen. My bad. Right here on demo accounts, it's a button that says trade. Okay, did that work out for you? Ray J said beginner. Okay. That doesn't let me know if you have you ever traded before? Have you ever put in a trade before today? Flex and release, peace, hands, fun. Oh, peace, hands, for that. Okay, yeah, it's gonna stay on here. Yep, it should. It was live. Yep, so it'll be on here at least for a little while. But if not, I will move it over to Zion as well. The first step, I'll show you what you need to be doing. You can catch up. It ain't that we ain't that crazy. You're pretty tech savvy. Actually, did you create it? No, I don't think we did that account together. So just come over here to Zion Paths, and we got the steps for you, step by step. Click on Paths. And then once you click on the paths, it's going to give you the steps you need to take. First step is create your account. Make sure you use our link so that way you're inside of our partner hub. And then you got to create a demo account. Once you get there, let us know. Somebody in the chat is more than welcome to help you out. We got two of our ambassadors in the chat, Nostalgia Games and Hive Mind, the Hitmaker. So don't feel like it's too late. You got this. You here? It ain't too late. And then that's cool too, because you and I already did the other session where we talked about the ceilings and floor, support and resistance. So we about to cover that now. So while we're covering that, you could be getting caught up with your account setup. Okay, Dre just said I got a demo trainer. Okay. All right. All right. Woo-hoo! All right, Michael's at step 3. Tanya's at step 2. Ray at step 4. Mud Moon. All right, Jessica's at 1. I think once we get Jessica past step 2, we're going to get started. Oh, and you went through our trading school? Perfect. Okay. Okay, yeah, so you already know what it is. Good, good. On liquid charts, but my balance says 0. Okay. So what you could do is wait, you on liquid what? Charts or liquid brokers? What you need to do is go back to liquid brokers, my.liquidbrokers.com. And then there's a little wallet button next to your account, and that allows you to deposit any amount of money. Okay. So if I click 100, click deposit. Okay. It just added $100 into my account. It should say 200 when I refresh the page. Loading. Yep. 200. There we go. Okay, so anybody missed it? So this right here is everything is here. You got your deposit button, you got your trade button. Deposit allows you to add more money. Trade allows you to open up the charts. Demo account button allows you to create another demo account. If you need your demo account login information, click on the envelope up here in the top right, your notifications, and then it's going to show you a notification that says your account is ready. Click on that notification, and it's going to show you your username and password. 30 seconds, we opening up the charts, and I'm going to start breaking down these charts. Real simple, and it's real simple too. Let's go, Ray J. Let me check out your progress over here. Ray J, I'm not seeing no proof. Ray J, I'm not seeing it. I ain't seeing no proof. All I'm seeing is text. That ain't going to be enough for people to believe that you really did this. I need you to add real proof. I need real proof. I need real screenshots. I need real screenshots. I'm not a good coach if I don't push you to really give us something tangible. Let's go. Good, 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 good. All right. We're clear. Okay. All right. Miss Jackson is on step 3 now. Perfect. Perfect. Let's get it. All right. So let's go. Let's see what step 3 is. Time to enter some trades. All right. So we can't enter our trades yet until we go over some basic concepts. Let me turn down my Afro beats. Okay. All right. I'm going to show you how to get to your chart if you don't have it already, but I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay. Wait, real quick. Ninja, did you get the balance updated? I did legs today. Work out for me. Work out. You got a good thing. I'm in NZD, USD. Let's go, Cindy. Hey, peace Q minus. Peace. Hope all is well. Hope all is well. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Start breaking down some of this. Oh wait, there goes. No, unfortunately. Did you click the deposit button? Yay or nay? Yay or nay? Did you click the deposit button? Okay. Did you refresh the page? Sometimes you just got to refresh it to see the balance. I'm behind. What are you using? Okay, we're gonna give you the link to get caught up. It's real easy to get caught up. The first thing you have to do is you have to come over here to Zion. Okay, you got to come over here, create your account, and start the path with us. We're on a path. A path is a step-by-step journey to complete something, right? We got a lot of different paths. You just want to scroll down to the one that says the 3-trade challenge. Has the pyramids right there, okay? Click on that. I'm gonna drop that link in the chat for you. And once you click on that, you got the steps right there for you to get caught up with us. First step is create your Liquid Brokers account. Click on that link right there so that way you join our partner program, our partner hub. And then after that, it's going to ask you to verify your ID, your identity. And then you got to create a demo account. Once you get to that step, let us know in the chat. Somebody going to walk you through the next step. Okay. All right, so look, watch me. Who was that? Ninja, watch my screen. This is what you got to do. This is what we all got to be careful of. So we got to get to our charts, right? Click trade on your charts. Let me show. Click trade. I'm gonna click on my $200 account. I'm gonna click trade. All right, it says your terminal will be opened in a new tab. Cool. Here goes the new tab. Now look at this. It shows you 2 different accounts. One is your live account. One is your demo account. If you created a live account. So if you did create a live account, make sure you're not choosing that one because you probably didn't deposit any money into your live account. Make sure that you choose the demo account. Okay. I'm gonna close this out. Oh, we up. Ooh, we up nice on this account. Decent. We was up $135. 135. These have all been the trades we've been putting it together. But we try not to trade for profit right now. We trading for muscle memory. That's what really matter. Are we in a buy or sell? Looks like we are in a buy. And US 30 looks like it's dropping. Oh, we was up nice on this trade before it dropped too. It was up nice. But it's starting to drop now, but we'll see. We'll see where it want to fall down at. Okay. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's do some chart analysis to start learning about these charts before we put in our first 3 trades. Okay. Let me go to a blank chart. I'm gonna go to USD JPY. Let's do that. Okay. So when you open up your chart, yours might look a little bit different, right? You may have this thing over here open. And what I like to do is I like to close that out, right? Hide, right? That way we're not having too much on our chart. You might also have something at the bottom right here. Same thing. You can click on the 3 little dots over here to the right and click hide. Okay. Now what we have on our chart is just these candlesticks. Okay. Oh, it's working now. This is good. Finally. Oh, okay. Thank you. Is there a partner code? Yep. It's right there. And when you go through the paths, it'll be right there. And if you would have clicked the link, it would have been a part of it. But if you can't click the link, it's fine. We'll drop it in the chat for you. Yeah, I got you, Hob. Thanks. Okay. So let's talk about it. So what we're gonna be doing is talk about day trading, which is way different from just regular investing. Okay. So let's talk about what day trading is compared to investing. With investing, what we do is we only look to buy and hold, usually long term, trying to make money off of an upward market. Okay. What we call that is an uptrend. So let me see if I can draw it for you. All right. Here we go. It looks like this. Okay, that's an uptrend market. So when you just investing, that's what you're trying to do. When you investing, this is what you're trying to do. You're trying to get in low and hold it till it get higher. That's great, right? That's great. Can I delete this off my chart? Right click. Okay, yep. Cool. So that's what we call an uptrend. Market goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. That's an uptrend. Okay. Looks kind of crazy here, but take my word for it. I'm gonna do another one. So I'm gonna do start drawing. I gotta go down to freehand and favorite it. Go. And again, an uptrend is when the market goes up, up, comes down some, up, comes down some, up, comes down some. In this same pattern. Okay, that's an uptrend. Okay. When you day trading, you can also trade the uptrend. You can make money as the market goes up. Totally fine. The other type of market, which regular investing does not have, is what we call a downtrend. That's when the market goes down, comes back up a little bit, goes down, comes back up, goes down, up, down, and it continues down in this direction like that. Okay, that's what we call a downtrend. Okay, uptrend, downtrend. Okay, very simple concepts. Okay. And then there's one more market. There's only 3 different types of market, and I'm so happy it makes it easier for us to trade. There's only 3 different types of markets. The third one is what we call consolidation. Another word is ranging, and another word might be sideways, and another word might be accumulation. If I were you, I would use the word consolidation, or ranging, or accumulation. One of those 3, really, right? They have more descriptive tone. Sideways sounds good. It's the visual representation, but accumulation sounds more like a verb. It sounds like an action. It sounds like something is happening. This is what this market looks like. As you see, it looks like it's going up, but then it comes down. Look like it's going down, but then it comes back up. Okay, that is the third type of market. Do it one more time. Looks like it's going up, comes down, it's going back up, come down, down, nope, up, down. So this is what we call consolidation. But my favorite is accumulation. And we'll talk about why later. The short answer is the institutional investors are accumulating. Instead of buying one time a big load and putting, let's say, $30 million into the market or $300 million into the market, they buy a little bit at a time. Okay. They'll buy someone is down here. They'll buy someone is down here. They'll buy some more down here. They'll buy some more. So every time it comes back down to this floor, is what we call it, they'll buy more. Okay. Unless we're talking about sellers. Sellers do the opposite. Those are the people who are trying to make money as the market go down. So what they do is they'll buy money. I mean, they'll pretty much acquire some here. They're selling. So they'll sell some here, sell some here, sell some here, sell some here. Now, selling doesn't mean get rid of. When we're talking about trading, selling means I am predicting that the market is going to go down. So I'm selling the market. I am buying some contracts, but my contract that I'm buying says I bought the stock at $100 and I'm going to hold it until it goes down to $80. And if that happens, you make money. So that's what makes trading different from investing. You can make money as the market goes down. Okay. So do me a favor real quick, write this down in your notes, and I will really appreciate if you write it in the chat as well. Uptrend, downtrend, consolidation, or uptrend, downtrend, accumulation. Hive Mind says it's like they're filling up their gas tank when it's cheap. Good analogy. So they like, hey, I know I want to get this thing anyway. I might as well get it right now while the price is low. And it's the opposite for sellers, right? They want to get it while the price is too high. If something is overbought and like this stock right now is $150, this stock, there's no way it's worth $150. So they'll buy it at $150 and they'll put in a trade that says, I predict that this is going to go down to $100. And they make money off of that prediction. So same thing, they buy when it's high because they're hedging against the market saying, I don't think this is going to stay up here. It's going to drop. If it do, they make money. However, if they buy at 150 and it starts to go up to 160, 170, 180, 200, they losing money because they were wrong about their prediction. Okay? Very key. Very, very key. Hunting stop losses accumulation for sure. Yep. We ain't gonna get too advanced today, but yep, exactly. A lot of that happens. Okay. So now I'm gonna put y'all to the test. Once I see more people type the 3 different market types in the chat. 3 different market types. And I swear it, baby. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, when I first started trading for the first few years, I thought, the market is just consolidating. It's just ranging. It's dead. That's what I used to think. The market is just, it's right now, no investors. Nobody's really in the market. That's why it's moving like that. That's not true. These people have these bots, right? These institutions have these trading bots that are buying a little bit at a time. So that way they can disguise their position because they don't want their competition, which is other big traders, right? You got these big institutions, the JP Morgans and the Wells Fargos and the Citadels. Those are big banks. And those are just a few. There's some big hedge funds. They don't want each other to know what they're doing because one may think this market is about to tank. The other one think this market is about to blow up. So they don't want to show their position, but they need to get in at the strategic points. And then they battle. And us, we benefit from the battle. So our goal is to wait for this accumulation to end. And once it turns into a trend, that's when we start to get in. Okay. So if this market starts to, consolidate like this, but then next thing you know, it starts to break out. Oh, look at that. Okay, we got an uptrend. What we do is we wait. We wait a little bit for what we call a pullback. We wait for it to pull back down and then rise on up. Okay. Now it's rarely going to go down that smooth. It's going to go down like, oops. We'll do that again. because I drew a real straight line, and the market doesn't never move in a straight line for long. Okay. And then it'll come back down to that ceiling from before, and then start to work its way back up. Okay. The ceiling that I'm talking about was this right here. Remember, it was stuck in this range. It was stuck in this consolidation. The market will, once it finally, let's say, break out of that, boom, it broke out. It broke out. Now we wait for a retest, right? We wait for that moment where it breaks out, comes back, retest it. Don't worry about that terminology right now, but just know this is the pattern. It goes up, comes back down, and it continues up. This is where you make your money at. This is one strategy, right? I'm not telling you to like every strategy tonight that we use, or all of the different steps to make sure that it's really time to get in. But I just want you to kind of, again, trust the process. Trust the process. So this was the ceiling, and I just want you to get an overall idea of what happens. Once it breaks out of that ceiling, we then want to get in when it pulls back down. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? My account is all set, by the way. Perfect, perfect. I knew you was gonna get it. I knew it. I knew it. Congrats. Let's see. Anybody got any updates over here? Okay, Ejaz got one. Good. We got to get Ray J to update proof. Let's see if Ray J updated proof. Woo! Let's go, Ray J. There we go. There we go. Got proof in there now. Looking good. Looking good. $600 account. Nice. Got a trade on EU and GU. I only see 2 trades. Let us know let us know about your third trade. I think you uploaded one screenshot twice. Let us know what you did. You can change it. You can always edit it. So go ahead, go through and edit it. I'm gonna update these colors. I don't know why this is this color. So I'm gonna fix that. +5 this week. Let's go. But yeah, update that one image because you uploaded 2 of the same one. I don't want nobody to come for you later on. Still driving, so I'm on my phone. Okay. Yeah, no worry. No worry, Internet. We'll make sure you get this replay. All right, so we good. We good. So we got uptrend, downtrend consolidation. Now let me put you to the test. Okay. Put you to the test. I'm going to show you a chart and you tell me if it's an uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation. All right, so first one is from here to here. What do you think? Uptrend, downtrend. Uh-oh, my bad. Here we go. Uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation. I gave y'all a tricky one out the gate. Miss Jackson said consolidation. Ninja said consolidation. Yo, Anthony, you trade NASDAQ every day. He said, whatever y'all do, don't trade NASDAQ. She toxic. She is toxic. I ain't going to hold you. But that's your boo. That's your boo. All right, so y'all see a consolidation. Anybody else want to guess? Another consolidation. So I'm not mad at that answer because there is some consolidation inside of here. However, I have to vote for uptrend on this one. I'll tell you why. So we have, remember, first of all, what does the uptrend look like? It looks like up comes down some, up comes down some, up comes down some, It continues to do these up movements, which we call higher lows, which means you see when it comes down to making low, but it's it gets higher each time. Oh shoot, this is not, is it movable? Okay, there we go. You see how every time these circles, everywhere it comes down to, it gets a little bit higher. So we like to call those higher lows because the low, it come down to make a low, it comes lower, but it doesn't get too low, right? So that's what we got over here happening as well. If you look, we had this here. And then we had another one here. Then we had another one here. Okay. We had another kind of one here. This is where the consolidation starts to happen at. But it's consistently moving upwards. Okay. Consistently moving upwards. Even if it had this little slow period for a second, it's still moving upwards. All right. So that's why we will say this is an uptrend. This is not the most beautiful uptrend. If I zoomed in, it might look a little better, but they don't let our charts work, which is so weird because look, it goes off the screen. Can't stand Liquid charts. I really can't. Liquid got one of the best brokers out here, but their charting platform is outdated, like 90% of all of these platforms. TradingView and maybe one other platform has good charting. So we'll talk about them later on, but they do have good brokers, good rates, good perks, good features. So I wanted to at least show you this first. This is where you're going to be spending some good time at. So I wanted to make sure we go over it together. So I know that was tricky. That one was tricky. Don't feel bad about it. Don't feel bad about that one. But if you look, it is doing what we call higher lows. Look, I could draw a trend line. Look at that. You see that line? That means we are uptrending. Let me know if that makes sense. Let me know if that makes sense. All right. Makes sense. Okay. That makes it easier for you to see that it's an uptrend, at least in this period right here. All right. Let me show you another one. I don't think I'm going to be able to trick y'all twice. Yo, I am struggling with this chart. I am struggling with this chart. What did I do? Did I reach like the max data that it goes back? What the heck? It's only going. Okay, there we go. February. Okay, good. Jeez, they was hating. Okay, now what about all right, what about that box? What about that right there? Uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation or accumulation? Don't be scared to answer. Don't wait for everybody else to answer and cheat. You might cheat off the wrong person. Uptrend, uptrend, good, good. Yep. Good. Y'all got that one. Hive, these charts are so awkward to navigate. It don't make no sense. What about this one here? Uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation? This is the 1 hour time frame. Downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. Good, good. Okay. All right. Doing pretty good. Last one. What about this right here? What about this one right here? Uptrend, downtrend, consolidation. Let me know. Downtrend, consolidation, consolidation. Yep. Yep. Good job, y'all. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. All right. So that's what we're doing. All right. Last thing I want to show you about these uptrends and downtrends and consolidation is the language I like to use is trap house floor and trap house ceiling, right? Trap house floor and trap house ceiling. Why do we use those words? I'll show you right now. Okay. Let me show you. So check this out right here. This market was in pretty much a trap. It went down to this floor, then it went up to this ceiling, right? And then it kind of came back to the middle. And then it went back to the ceiling, back to the floor, okay? Back to the ceiling, and then drop back near the floor. So this is in a nice trap, right? Nice trap. We call it a trap because every trap house has a couple things in common. Every trap house has a floor. Every trap house has a ceiling. Okay. Later on, we're going to talk about stairs. That's going to be another analogy, but we show you how the market moves up, just like stairs in the house, right? And we go from floor to floor to floor. So here's an example of watch what happens next. Boom. It went out of the ceiling. Type ceiling if you see that. It broke out and above that ceiling. So that means a bunch of people started buying and they pushed past this level where before every time it came here, it dropped. Went up, drop, went up, drop. This time it went up and it came out of that area. So we call that a breakout. A breakout is when the price goes outside of a consolidation area. Okay. It breaks that pattern. Type ceiling if you see it. You see it if you see it. Good. All right. So next, what you want to see is this. This is so when it breaks out, that means okay, now we're probably headed it back into a trend. This is what trading is, y'all. I'm giving y'all the most simplest way. I promise you, nobody gonna make it this easy. Okay. So you got a consolidation or accumulation happening. Accumulation meaning, look, they buying it right here. Okay, they bought down here, and then they bought again right here, and then they bought again right here. So they buying it a little bit at a time. Now, the breakout happens. Boom. What you want to do is you want to be patient. You don't want to get in. That's what a lot of people do. They get in as soon as it breaks out. They get up here. They get out. I mean, they get in up here, but that's dangerous. Instead, wait for it to come back down. Okay. We do this thing where we wait for it to come back to the ceiling, because this is the big analogy that you really need to put into your brain. It's going to be easy. Once you see it, it's going to be hard to unsee it. Imagine yourself in a house. You're downstairs. Okay. You're downstairs and you're standing on this floor. Okay. If you jump really high, you'll hit the ceiling, right? Your head is going to hit the ceiling. If you break out high enough, you'll go into the next floor upstairs, right? Above, the next floor up. And they call it the next floor up. Why? Because the ceiling becomes the floor. Okay? The ceiling becomes the floor. Look at this right here. This was a ceiling before, right? This right here was a ceiling. But what the market likes to do is it likes to break out of that ceiling, come back down, test it again, kind of see who else, give us a chance to get in essentially, and then continue up. So now we are going into an uptrend. This is where you want to get in at. This is only one strategy, y'all. This right here, I call it a trap house breakout. Okay, the trap house breakout. This is a really nice strategy. You wait for accumulation, you wait for breakout, you wait for a retest, you enter the trade, which we're about to do in a second. I'm about to show you how to enter a trade. Okay, are we clear? We clear? I feel like I'm being clear. I just need to make sure. I'm gonna keep checking in, because this is a crucial part. This is a crucial part. I'm not gonna go too much deeper on that, but that is a strategy in itself, the trap house breakout. We wait for a breakout. Remember, when you go upstairs to the next level, to the person downstairs, that's a ceiling. To the person upstairs, that's a floor. So now this is the new floor. This is the new price minimum. The price is not going back lower than this. So if you can buy here, you're buying it at the new floor. Okay? And that's a great price for you. That's a great price for you. That's like, I love to use real estate as an example. Let's say you're looking at houses in a neighborhood. Okay? And the price of houses is about, let's say, $100,000 down here. $100,000. When it's down here. And then a lot of people start buying in the neighborhood. And they push the price up to $200,000. Like, dang, house is down $200,000. Should I get it? Nah, it might come back down. I might buy my house at 200, and then the valuation goes back down to 100. You're gonna be like, I just got into this market for no reason. I bought this house for no reason. But then guess what? It breaks out. And look, now the houses all in the neighborhood are worth $250,000. You like, dang, should I get in at 250? No, wait for it to come back down to 200,000. Then you buy it. And then you hold it till it get to 250, 300, 400, 500,000. Okay? Don't be so rushed and chasing the market, because you might get a bad deal. You like, man, if I just would have waited a couple hours, I could have got a better price. Don't be so impatient, thinking that you're missing something. Don't have what we call FOMO, fear of missing out. You see this big old green candle and you like, oh, shoot, I need in on that. I need that. Okay. So that makes sense. That's the trap house breakout strategy. And later on, I'll tell you how to know when this is ready to. This retest here is done. I'll let you. I'm gonna teach you a different strategy. Not today. Today we about to. Excuse me. We about to put in some trades. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Who ready to trade? Type ready. Type ready. We about to put in 3 trades. We might be able to get this done in 14 minutes. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it. Come on. Who got their chart open? Excuse me. Who got their chart open? Who's that? Okay, Miss Jackson is ready. Eagle Tuck is ready. Ant is ready. Good, good. And I swear it, baby. All right, M4 Mix is ready. All right, and Ninja is ready. Let me see anybody we missing. I'm gonna check the path real quick. E-Jazz, I know you're still working to get caught up. That's fine. Antoinette is driving. I'm not sure who Mud Moon is. Michael said he's done too. Let's see. Mike got in 3 trades. Yep. Mike got in his 3 trades. My man don't play. My man ain't play, man. I think that's the new Mike Gems, y'all. I think I found the new Mike Gems. I got to meet him in person on Monday, man. It's beautiful. Beautiful spirit. All right. We rolling. All right. So let's go ahead and start working on it. So we're going to trade 3 different types of pairs, right? Because with this broker, which is what I love, you could trade Forex, futures, crypto, or stocks. Crazy. Don't say I did not give y'all a gem out the gate. Y'all don't understand. When I started learning how to trade, I had to go through all of the headaches and all of the what you call spinning in circles, doing a bunch of nothing, all the hard, doing it hard way. So I got y'all into a place to where you don't need to even go and try a bunch of other stuff out. You got a platform that got everything you need. So we're gonna try to put in a couple of different ones. Let's start off with USD JPY. All right, so up here, top left, right where I'm clicking at right now, type USD JPY. Click on that, and it's going to open up this chart. Let me clear my drawings. Can I clear them all? Yep. Delete all drawings. Good. All right, put those. Get over here. Let me know when you're here. Once you get here, click this little Liquid Brokers icon over here to the right. It says deal ticket. If you hover over it, click that deal ticket, and it's going to open up this order panel or this deal ticket over here to the right. Okay. Okay. So once you got that, we're gonna do a buy. We're gonna do a buy. So this is how you operate it. You got at the top sell or buy. It's asking you what you want to do. If you don't know what Forex is, it's pretty much the foreign exchange market. This is where our money gets traded at. It's one of the biggest markets. $6 trillion get exchange hands every single day in the Forex market. It represents the difference between currencies, like the different price, the exchange price of currencies. So right here, it says the price right now of USD JPY is 159.33. Only thing that means is it takes 159 Japanese yen to get $1 US. So right now, if I go to Japan and I have $1, if I give them my dollar at the exchange, I guess it's called a foreign exchange booth. If I give them $1, they're gonna give me back 159 yen. If I give them 10 US dollars, they're going to give me back 1,590 yen. If I give them 100 US dollars, they're going to give me 15,900 yen. So that's the exchange. That's the exchange rate. And that's what we're trading. Literally, people who travel from country to country and have to exchange money they're participating in the Forex market, whether they know it or not. They're not investing and making money off of it on purpose. They can, some of them do. Some of them have went to another country. They went to Japan with $1,000 US, exchanged it for Japanese yen, went into the city, ended up not spending no money, right? Didn't even spend nothing. Let's just say they didn't. Came back to the airport or to the exchange booth and said, all right, I'm about to go home. Can you take back this Japanese yen? I didn't even spend any. They said, yeah, sure. They take it back and they give them back $1,020, $1,050. And you're like, I only gave you 1,000. They like, yep, we know. The exchange rate has changed since you came in. Now your 100 is worth more here, or your 1,000, whatever it is. It's now worth more money here than it was before. So that's the natural market. We now have the ability to make money off of that. As the exchange rate goes up and down, we can make money off of it. So let's do that right now. On the deal ticket, click buy. That means we want to predict this market is going to go up. Click on market. You also have limited stop. Don't worry about those. Those are essentially saying you want to get in at a specific price. Market means put me in right now, no matter what the price is. Right now, the price is 159.331. Put me in right now. A limit or stop means put me in at a different price. I want to get in when it's at 158 or when it's at 163. All right. So we're not going to do that, though. We're going to keep it simple. Click market. And then you want to change volume because they ask you, how much do you want to trade? I want you to click percentage of balance. Click that little drop down, percentage of balance, and change it to 1% for now. All right. The stop loss, change that to price. We're going to choose our price. And I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to put in trades. This is way number one. The next trade, I'm going to show you another way on how to put in a trade. So change this to price and set the price to, I'm going to put on my crosshairs. Crosshairs is right here in the middle. It's a tool that allow me to see this. I need to be able to see my little crosshair so I know where the numbers are. So I want you to change it to 156.52. That's down here. I don't think it's going to go back down as low. 156.52. Oops. Okay, 156.52. That's the stop loss. What is a stop loss? Okay. What is a stop loss? Oh, this should be price. Yeah. 150. What I say? 156.52. A stop loss means take me out at this price. If the market starts to go down against me, I was wrong about the trade, which happens, right? We all are wrong sometime. What it does is it's going to take you out at that price. Okay. Stop your losses. If you don't put a stop loss, the market can keep on going down until it pretty much ruins your entire account. So you want to use a stop loss. And it can happen quick if you come telling you. I've seen people walk out the room and come back and the market tanked. They didn't have a stop loss. They messed up their whole account. I've seen people not have a stop loss and their internet goes down. And when they turn back on their internet, it get fixed. They go to their chart and the market and went in a whole different direction. They lost so much money because they did not have a stop loss. All right. So it's a lesson that you want to learn. Anything can happen. Next, we got to change take profit. Change it to price. And for price, I just want you to put 160.59. Let's just do 160.60. How about that? Keep it simple. All right. I'm gonna also change my balance to 3%. I want to risk 3% of my account. 3%. If you have a little exclamation mark right here saying something is wrong, it's probably you need to increase your balance or decrease your, increase your percentage or decrease your percentage. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? All right. Once you do that, all I need you to do is press the buy button. Press the button. Press it. Press it. Boom. Now we in the trade. All right. Now we in the trade. Over here on the left, you see it shows me my take profit, how many pips away it is. Pips are little ticks on the chart. We're going to get technical later, but just think of them as every little increment on the chart is a pip. Okay. It's like a decimal point pretty much. It's saying that I will make $7.81, which is a 0.7% increase. I got in right here at 159.35. I'm currently down 9 cents or 0.3 pips. And my stop loss is 280 pips away. If I lose, I'll lose $18 pretty much, $17.79. I mean, $17.79. And that's a 1% loss, 1.6% loss. Don't worry about the numbers. Those numbers should be a little bit closer to each other. I should not be risking $17 just to make $7, but this is for example purposes only, educational purposes only. All right. So I believe I'm in the trade. Let's see if I'm in it. Yeah, I'm in the trade. I'm down 6 cents right now. So I'm in the trade. Anybody else in? Chris Tucker voice. Who else is in the trade? Who else is in the trade? Once we in, what we're going to do is we're going to screenshot it. Or you can click down here and screenshot this here. Okay. And then you're going to use that image as your proof inside of Zion. All right. Ninja is in. Ms. Jackson and Eagle is in. Excuse me. Okay, Informix is in. Okay. See who updated a path. Nope. Anthony, good looking. We need this whole thing green. We need this thing full to the max. We need this full to the max. Everybody maxed out. All right. So now here's how you enter another trade. This time I'm going to go to a different chart. And this time I want you to type in, we can't do a stock tonight. Stock market is closed. But let's type in a crypto. Type in ETH/USD. This is Ethereum, a cryptocurrency. ETH/USD. Okay. For this one, we're going to try a buy as well, because this market look like it want to go up. I don't know. This market look like you want to do everything. This market is consolidating. That's what it's doing. But we just having fun right now. No pressure. Okay. So now this time, what I want you to do is something a little bit different. Instead of clicking a little deal ticket, I want you to, over here on the right-hand side, you see these blue and orange columns. Click on buy, which is the blue one. Click that little target. And what it does is it makes it easier for you to choose your prices and your percentage. So let's say I'm buying. That means my stop loss need to be lower. I bring my stop loss down here. And then my take profit, I'm going to put up here. And as of right now, it's saying I'm only going to make 2 cents or lose 2 cents. All you have to do is click this little plus button next to lots. A lot is how many, pretty much, let's say shares. How many shares are you buying of Ethereum? So I'm going to go up all the way to, I'm going to type in 1, the number 1.5. Cool. That still ain't enough. I'm risking $2 to get $3. I like the percentages, but let's go for 5 lots. Now I'm risking $9 to get 11. Still not that much. Let me try 15 lots. risking 27 to get 34. So you see, every time I go up, my profit goes up as well. So this one, I like this better. 40 lots. That means if I lose, I'll lose $72. If I win, I'll win $92. I'll go for it. And then all you have to do is back over here on the right-hand side, click the little check mark. And now you are in the trade. If I look down here at the bottom of my screen, boom, it shows I'm in a US 30 trade. That's from last week. USD JPY, we just did that today. It shows potential, stop loss, take profit. And then Ethereum, which we just put in. Okay. And we already down 260. That means they have, how? They must have huge margins. How am I down $260 if my loss potential is only 73? Ethereum must be going through it right now. Wow. Don't do 40 like me. Don't do 40 like me. Those fees was bad. That was crazy. That don't even make no sense. But crypto is like that. Crypto market is really messed up right now. Can't get rid of the error message. Okay. What does the error message say for one? That might help, because I know 2 different messages a lot of people get. Cindy said I shouldn't have done this on my phone. We said bring your computers. We definitely said bring your computers. It's all right. You didn't learn the steps, though. You got it in your mind. I know you got it in your mind. You'll be able to do it quick on your computer. Okay. Talk to me, y'all. Talk to me. Also, let me know, which way do you like better? Do you like the way of trading with these arrow buttons over here, these like aiming things, or the deal ticket? Which one do you like better? If you're still having that error, remember you might have to increase your percentage. You could do lots if you want, or you could do percentage of balance, and you might just need to increase it. Look what happens when I increase it. Let's see. Let me set a stop loss too. Make sure you set your price. $2,000 might be too much. Stop loss for a buy, 1862. There we go. So yeah, just make sure that your numbers is all right. I've seen people put the stop loss above the price in the buy. That doesn't make sense. If you're buying, the stop loss need to be under the current price that you're getting in at. Okay, has to be. Okay, deal ticket, deal ticket, deal ticket. Okay, okay, that's the winner tonight. Okay, cool. So I got 2 trades in. I didn't do US 30 tonight, so I'm not counting that one. The third one I want y'all to do on your own. Okay, the third one you do by yourself. Do it on gold. All right, gold is XAU USD. XAU USD. Gold is a really popular pair. Right now, the price is 4408. That means it takes $4,408 to get 1 gold, 1 bullion. Okay. All right, it's on you now. It's on you. And I need you to take screenshots of your trades to update the path. Let's go. Ray J Dunn. Good job. Anthony Dunn. Good job. Let me check out Ant Trades. Let's check out Ant Trades, y'all. I got to fix these colors. Oh, my God. Let me tell my AI right now to fix these colors. I am over it. Okay, I'm going to do some testing. Oops. What the heck? No. Oh, man, my computer is glitching. Okay, I'm going to do some testing on a mobile app. While I do some testing, I want you to fix a couple things on the paths page, especially the public page that shows what people have currently done. If you look, the lime green is not matching the skin. We need to get that out of here. Like I mentioned earlier, This is another place where the lime green is conflicting. Okay, that's one. And then I think these little, secondly, every one of these proof bubbles has a little pencil next to it. And this is not even my path run. So I shouldn't be able to see a pencil and edit anything. It reads kind of weird. Okay, and I see lime green here too. I also see lime green here in this section at the top. Okay, cool. Oh, and that says, and then down here on this image, it says, see everybody on this path, and there's some text on the right side of the bubble. That's hard to see, so we need to fix that as well. Update that color so it's darker and visible on this skin and is light on the matrix skin. Cool, cool, cool. All right. That looks good. I'm gonna have it fixed that. Anything else I need to do? I'm gonna tell it add a refresh button here. Can you add a refresh button here so we can see who has updated their steps without me having to refresh the whole browser page? So these agents be working, y'all. It's gonna get all of this stuff done right away. All in one shot. 27 members. Good, 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 good. Yeah, good job, Ant. Let me see anything else here I want to see. I think all of the text on the pop-up is just crazy. All of the text is hard to see. Actually, all of the text on the pop-up modal is hard to see. Okay. All right, I'm gonna let my agent get the. Oh, I gotta clean my context. That's the problem. Oop, I'll do that next. All right, good job. And I see you put in a trade on UJ, Naz, and Gold. Okay, good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay. All right, who left? Who left? Let's see if we can start seeing some completions come through. We got three today. Jessica and Cindy, so close. So close. Great job, everybody. We had not 10-10. We had 10-10. We about 10 minutes over. I ain't mad. This is good. We got productive. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people did it today. Erica, we lost Erica, I think. She did create her account though. I see that. She got step 1 done. Perfect. Okay, who is this right here? Oh, I don't see nobody's name on this one. You don't show their name. Also, I see some dark text at the top of this page. And most importantly, what's really missing is the person's name and icon or avatar on this page. We are not able to see who is actually doing this run. I can't get into gold. Okay, what's probably your account size? Gold is a little bit pricier. If gold doesn't work for you, try another one. What else could we put her? Let's go to type in US 30. US 30. US 30. It's a pretty cheap one. It's a good one. Good price one. With some nice strong movement. Trying my darndest, my bad. Eagle Tuck, EJS. Okay. No rush. It's all good. You all good. Funny how people stop talking about silver. We knew it. We knew it. That was some hype somebody was doing. Let's put some hype out there so they can do a rug pull and make their money and get out the way. I'm up $40 on all three. Congrats, Mike. Let's go. Let's go. I love it. Let's get it. Ethereum ain't moving right now. The UJ trade is up. That's good. Congratulations. To the people who didn't trade with us, what do y'all think? Do y'all got any feedback for the people who here? You got any feedback for me? Just curious. Let us know your thoughts. We good. I just want to see y'all really knock these steps off at the end, but we are done. We have accomplished what we wanted to. Next steps, I'll be emailing everybody, so make sure that you got that. I'll also be DMing some of you. I'll send you direct messages on Zion, and I want to learn more about your path, like specifically like where you headed, what you want to do, and what's possible. Like, are you working a full-time job? Are you working nights or days? Because you could trade in the evening or during the day. So I want to be able to help you see what's going to be the strategy. If you trade during the day, can you still trade at work? Right? Is that a possibility for you? If not, we need to be looking into the Asian session or the London session. Asian session is like 8 p.m. Eastern time. London session is like 3 a.m. Eastern time. It's overnight because London is, they're ahead. They're like 6 hours ahead of the East Coast of United States. Okay. Let's go. Noted. See. Okay. Yep. Yeah. I'll be sending you all messages, updates. I'll also share we're going to share a free guide with you. It's pretty much something that breaks down everything we went over today in nice, simple steps, though, and visual, something for you to always remember. And I encourage you to use it to teach somebody else how to put in a trade. Okay. Help somebody else put in their first 3 trades. Pay it forward for me, y'all. Pay it forward. And then whoever you teach, tell them to pay it forward. Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome, fam. Excuse me. Okay. We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes we jumping off. So if you got any questions, any feedback, any testimonials, that would be greatly appreciated. Let us know. Anything, anything. This is a safe space. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's go. All right, another step forward. Ijaz, you moving forward. I see you. You definitely moving forward. Let's see something real quick. Yeah, this is fire. This is fire, y'all. Can you do a night where you do connect AI to Trading View? Yeah, that would be dope. Oh, good idea. Good idea. Good idea. And I got you, bro. Let me add that to our list. That might be an AI Labs night, though, for real, for real. It might be an AI Labs night. Or we could do, I might do it a free webinar. I'll let you know. Let me see. Do we got anything coming up around that? Lead Finder, build a web app, content engine, customer support. We got a lot of stuff happening in AI Labs, y'all. We got how to build a lead finder agent. We just did that one yesterday. I'm gonna run that back. I think I'm gonna do that one again, like Monday morning or something like that, or Sunday. Then we got how to build an inbox and email agent. Right. Then we're gonna build a how to build a web app, right? And web app meaning not just a website, a web app that has a database, hosted, things like that. Then we're gonna do how to build a content engine, right? How to take a long form video, turn it into clips, and automatically post it, caption it, everything. Then we're gonna do a customer support agent. Then we're gonna do dashboards, how to build out these like really cool informational dashboards, mobile apps. AI Labs is lit for the next 8 weeks. It is about to be, it's crazy. We turning up all year. We're going in real strong. So let me see. Free webinar. Connect AI to TradingView. Got you. Got you, got you, got you. All right. That's our time. That's our time, y'all. Y'all feeling good? Anybody need any links? Let me make sure you got your if you don't already have it, if you don't want to miss those sessions, I'm gonna drop the passport link in the chat. You definitely don't want to miss that. I'm gonna drop it in the chat for you. All right, you get you a free trial. That way you can join us at no cost for the first few sessions. If you don't already have a passport. I'm done. I got in with SPX 500. Good, good. Peace. I missed the live replay. I'm not sure. You missed the live replay? Yeah, so this is going to be emailed out to everybody. So make sure, this is very important. Make sure that you are signed up. Where is it at? Make sure you are signed up for the passport or over here for the 3 trade challenge. That way you somehow, some way got your email address on deck so we can email you and get you that replay out. Okay. I'm about to end this session right here on Zion. That's a wrap. Yo, this is crazy, y'all. I don't think y'all understand what we working with over here. I don't think y'all understand. I'm going to be working overnight starting at the end of the month. I'll be able to tune in on Tuesday AI Labs. Perfect. Let's go. Okay. All right. So we are doing another one of these Friday morning. And then tomorrow night we have community night. We're going to be showing like everybody projects and getting questions and seeing what agents people building out. So stay tapped in with us. If you got questions, reach out. support@zion.io. support@zion2eyes.io. All right. Or you could just go to zion.io/help and we got you. All right. Y'all have a blessed night of sleep. Rest well. Hope you have a great day tomorrow. And if you're somewhere where you can see the eclipse or some shooting stars, take some pictures and videos and share it with us. I'll see y'all on the other side, tribe. Peace. Unlock. God bless you too. Don't forget to update those cars. Update your path, y'all. Get it complete. If you start something, finish it. All right, let's go.